In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the OneNote sync error that says please refresh using a simple step-by-step method that can help clear the stuck sign-in or sync state. This is a common issue when OneNote gets caught on an outdated token or stored credential, and the good news is that you can usually resolve it without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open your internet browser and go to OneNote For The Web. Once you're in, locate the notebook that is showing the refresh error and open it. This is important because we want to work with the exact notebook that is causing the problem, not just any notebook. After the notebook loads, look at the top center of the browser ribbon menu and click the Open in Desktop App button. When you do this, OneNote sends a fresh and authoritative security token to your desktop application. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the stuck refresh message and get syncing working again. If the error still appears, don't worry, because the next step is to clear out old saved credentials from Windows. Open the Start menu on your computer and type Credential Manager. Select it from the results, then go into Windows Credentials. Once you're there, scroll down to the Generic Credentials section. Look carefully for any entries that include Microsoft Office 16 or MicrosoftAccount. These old or corrupted saved sign-in entries can interfere with OneNote's ability to refresh properly. When you find one, click Remove to delete it. If you see more than one related entry, remove each one that matches those names. After that, restart OneNote completely. Close it first, then open it again so it can start fresh. When OneNote launches, sign in again with your Microsoft account and let it reconnect. This fresh login often rebuilds the authentication data correctly and clears the sync error. Once you're back in, give the notebook a moment to sync and check whether the refresh message is gone. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix the issue quickly. If your notebook still takes a moment to update, give it a little time to re-establish the connection before making more changes. And that's it. You've now followed a practical way to fix the OneNote sync error and remove the stuck "please refresh" message. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.